What if I told you that every heartbeat, every mood, every ounce of energy you feel is controlled by a silent communication system inside your body? A system that works without you ever noticing it, yet controls your growth, your sleep, your metabolism, and even how you respond to stress. This is the endocrine system. Unlike the nervous system, which sends rapid electrical signals, the endocrine system communicates slowly but powerfully through chemical messengers known as hormones. These hormones travel through your bloodstream, delivering precise instructions to organs and tissues across your body. And when this system is balanced, everything works in harmony. But when it's not, the consequences can be life-changing. Today, we're diving deep into the endocrine system, how it works, the glands involved, and why it's essential to your survival. What is the endocrine system? The endocrine system is a network of glands that produce and release hormones. These hormones act like messengers, telling different parts of your body what to do and when to do it. Unlike nerves, which act instantly, hormones take their time, but their effects last longer. They regulate growth and development, metabolism, sexual function, sleep cycles, mood and emotions, stress responses. Think of it like a postal system. Each hormone is a letter, each gland is a post office, and your bloodstream is the delivery route. Only specific cells, called target cells, can read the message. This is because they have special receptors that recognize specific hormones. If the message is delivered correctly, the body functions smoothly. If not, problems begin. How hormones work. Hormones are released into the bloodstream in tiny amounts, but their impact is enormous. There are three main types. 1. Peptide hormones, made from amino acids. Example, insulin. 2. Steroid hormones, derived from cholesterol. Example, cortisol, estrogen, testosterone. 3. Amine hormones, derived from single amino acids. Example, adrenaline, thyroid hormones. Once released, hormones travel through the blood until they reach their target cells. They bind to receptors, like a key fitting into a lock. And once they bind, they trigger a response. This could be turning genes on or off, changing enzyme activity, altering cell function, tone shift slightly dramatic. But here's the critical part. Hormone levels must be tightly controlled. Too much or too little can disrupt the entire body. This is where feedback loops come in. Feedback loops. The endocrine system relies heavily on negative feedback. This means that once enough of a hormone is produced, the body signals to stop producing more. Example, if your thyroid hormone levels rise, your brain detects it and tells the thyroid to slow down. It's like a thermostat. Too hot, cool it down. Too cold, heat it up. Without this system, hormone levels would spiral out of control. The hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Now we move to the control center. The hypothalamus, located in the brain. This tiny structure links the nervous system to the endocrine system. It monitors the body's internal environment. And when something changes, it sends signals to the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland, the master gland, about the size of a pea, but incredibly powerful. It releases hormones that control other glands. Key hormones include growth hormone (GH), thyroid-stimulating hormone (TSH), adrenocorticotropic hormone (ACTH), luteinizing hormone (LH), follicle-stimulating hormone (FSH), prolactin. Think of the pituitary as the CEO, and the other glands as departments. If the CEO sends the wrong message, the entire system is affected. The thyroid gland, located in the neck, shaped like a butterfly. The thyroid controls your metabolism. It produces T3 triglyceride, T4 thyroxine. These hormones regulate energy levels, body temperature, heart rate. Too much thyroid hormone. You may experience weight loss, anxiety, rapid heartbeat. Too little, fatigue, weight gain, depression. Balance is everything. The parathyroid glands. These tiny glands sit behind the thyroid. Their job, regulate calcium levels in the blood. Calcium is essential for muscle contraction, nerve function, Bone health, even small imbalances can cause serious issues. The adrenal glands, sitting on top of your kidneys, the adrenal glands help you respond to stress. They produce 1. Adrenaline, triggers the fight or flight response, increased heart rate, faster breathing, heightened alertness. 2. Cortisol, the stress hormone, regulates metabolism, controls blood sugar, helps manage inflammation. Short-term stress helpful, chronic stress dangerous. Too much cortisol can lead to weight gain, anxiety, sleep problems, weakened immunity. The pancreas. The pancreas plays a crucial role in blood sugar control. It produces insulin, right arrow lowers blood sugar. Glucagon raises blood sugar. After you eat, blood sugar rises, right arrow insulin is released, right arrow sugar enters cells. Between meals, blood sugar drops, right arrow glucagon is released, right arrow sugar is released into blood. If this system fails, it can lead to diabetes. The GONADS, reproductive GLANDS. These include ovaries in females, testes in males. They produce sex hormones. In females, estrogen, progesterone. In males, testosterone. These hormones control puberty, reproduction, sexual characteristics. They also influence mood, energy, and behavior. The pineal gland, a small gland deep in the brain. It produces melatonin. This hormone controls your sleep-wake cycle. Light exposure affects its release. Darkness, right arrow, more melatonin, right arrow, sleep. Light, right arrow, less melatonin, wakefulness. Disruptions can affect sleep quality and overall health. Endocrine disorders. When the endocrine system malfunctions, serious conditions can develop. Examples include diabetes, thyroid disorders, Cushing's syndrome, Addison's disease, hormonal imbalances. Symptoms may include fatigue, weight changes, mood swings, irregular heart rate. Early detection is key. Keeping your endocrine system healthy. You can support your endocrine system by eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, managing stress, exercising regularly, avoiding toxins. Your daily habits directly impact your hormones. Your endocrine system is always working, quietly, constantly, keeping your body in balance. It may be invisible, but its effects are undeniable. Understanding it is the first step toward better health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more on anatomy of life, because your body is a masterpiece worth understanding.